Hi, today I want to show you the knives that we have here at the Nourishing Plate. You really don't need a huge set of knives, but you do need a few good sharp knives, and then you'll be able to do pretty much anything in the kitchen. What we have here is we have a santoku knife, and we use this pretty much for everything in the kitchen, chopping, dicing, vegetables, meats, etc. We also have a serrated knife. We use this because of that jagged serrated edge. That's more good for like slippery skin vegetables like a tomato. We also have a paring knife. This is a smaller knife, and we use this for more detailed cutting or dicing work when we really need to get in there and have that smaller, sharp point. I also want to show you how to hold a knife. So this is the tang, and you want to have your forefinger and your thumb on either side of the tang. This is going to give you a really good sense of control and stability with your knife. It almost becomes an extension of your hand. When you have your hand way back here on the handle, you're kind of wobbling around and you really don't have that sense of good control and stability. But when you move your fingers up, now you really have a good sense of that feel and that touch of that knife. The biggest thing we can suggest to you is just to practice, practice, practice. The more you practice and then you work with cutting and dicing and chopping vegetables and everything else that you do in the kitchen, you are going to gain so much confidence and feel so much more comfortable in the kitchen.